In this video, we are going to discuss about swing trading. We will discuss 4 stocks that we can find some good swing trading. Now, what we mean by swing trading is that we are going to buy and hold it for some time until it meets our target, and we are also going to have some stop loss. In swing trading, we generally have to wait few days to few weeks for our levels or our target to come. So after entry, we can wait few days or few weeks before our trade gets over. So let's jump into the stocks. The first stock is GAIL. Now you can see on weekly chart, this is weekly chart of GAIL. It has made kind of a W pattern, and on top of which you can also see that there is a kind of a cup and handle pattern. So if this level is crossed, then we can buy and the target would be huge on the upside. So that level can also come, but if we come in a little shorter time, then or in a shorter range, then you can see that this is another cup that is about to break out. So above this we are going to buy, and the buying level would be above 167. So now let's see, if we zoom out, then you can see that the targets can be quite rewarding on the upside. If we go, you can see that this could be the potential target. So 200 could be the target on the upside, which is good from here. So we are going to buy above 167, and then we keep some 5 to 8 point stop loss, and we will wait for the target, or we can trail our stop loss as we go on. The next stock is Muthoot Finance. Now you can see that on a weekly basis it has given a breakout. Now there is a halting candle, and then it went sharply up. Then also it halted, it came down, and now it's kind of making a W type of formation. So if this neckline is broken, then we can expect some up move from here. Now if we go on the daily chart, now you can see that this could be the first target. So we are going to buy above 1543 or 1545. When we get this level, we will buy, and we'll keep some stop loss. That is, we can keep a 20 point stop loss, and that could be enough. So maybe the stop loss is a bit more, but looking at the target that we can achieve, the stop loss is very less. So we have a very good risk to reward ratio. The next stock is Canara Bank. You can see that it has been in a volatile wide range, then it gave breakout, it fell, and then again gave a breakout. So it has a potential to go up. Now if we look in a weekly time frame, then you can see that this resistance level has just been crossed and closed above. So if this is taken out, then we can buy above 179 or 180. We can buy above this level, and we can keep a stop loss of maybe 5 points, and we can trail our stop loss on the higher side, or we can go down in the chart and we can keep this as stop loss, which is nearly 175, and we are buying around 180. So that means a 5 point stop loss, and our target could be far from here. Now this could be our first target. These levels 200 could be our first target, and above which 220 can also be the target. So looking at the risk and reward, this is very promising on the upside. The next stock is Power Grid. You can see on a weekly time frame, it has broken this range and closed above it. So that's a very promising sign. And then if we come on a daily time frame, you can see that it gave a breakout, then it came down, tested this level, and then it's going up again. So if it crosses this level, or we can wait till it crosses this level, you can buy some quantity at 194, keeping a stop loss at 188, which is this level, and then when it crosses 198, you can add more quantities. The target could be high on the upside, and you can place everything at 194. The whole stop loss you can place 194. So if you are trading, say, about 200 quantity, then you can buy 100 quantity at 194, keeping a stop loss at 188, and when it breaks 198, you add another 100 quantity, and for the whole 200 quantity you put a stop loss at 194, and you can then slowly trail the stop loss till it gets hit, or you can hold for a target which is above 220 or something like that, or even more if you are planning to hold it. Now one thing more, you can see that this is also kind of a cup breakout. So this range, this area can be projected upward to get the target, which can be more. So let me show you. If you project this and this, then you can expect a 10% or 18-point move on the upside, so which is around to that 220 level, which can be the target, or you can just trail your stop losses. So these are the 4 stocks you can look into, and I hope this helped and you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.